We supply high precision molds and molding. We have all the machines from Makino, whether it may be milling, EDM and wire cut. My name is Sachin. I am representing Magna Tooling Corporation, Pune. We are here at Auto Cluster for NTTF Tooling Expo 2nd edition. We are present since last 15 years in this segment. We are working in automotive division as well as electrical and electronics. Specifically in automotive, we are working on fuel delivery modules, braking systems, sensors and connectors. Whereas in electrical and electronic, we supply a lot of components for connectors as well as for the terminal housings and bobbins, etc. We are in this field since last 15 years. Recently, we have invested on a 5-axis CNC milling from Makino and 3-axis very high precision CNC milling from Yazda. And we are the first MSME to invest on this Yazda CNC milling in whole India. So that is one of a great thing what we have invested to support our customer requirements on day-to-day technical requirements.